Interested in enhancing your kidney health? Everything begins with your dietary choices. Chronic kidney disease, or CKD, impacts millions worldwide. A renal diet plays a key role in managing this illness. Let's examine how to follow a renal diet, step by step. Start by reducing sodium intake. Excess sodium elevates blood pressure. Aim for 2,000 milligrams or less each day. Next, pay attention to your protein consumption. Too much protein can put strain on your kidneys. Prioritize high-quality proteins in moderation. Now, look after your potassium levels. Excess potassium poses risks for those with kidney issues. Select lower potassium options such as apples and berries. Remember phosphorus as well. It can accumulate in CKD patients. Foods lower in phosphorus include white rice and pasta. Hydration is essential too. Drink adequate water, but consult your physician regarding limits. For clarity, let's review a sample day's meals. Breakfast can consist of oatmeal topped with blueberries. For lunch, enjoy a salad with grilled chicken, avoiding added salt. Dinner could feature baked fish paired with steamed asparagus and white rice. Healthy snacks might include apple slices or unsalted popcorn. This approach allows you to savor tasty meals while safeguarding your kidneys. To summarize, a renal diet is vital for maintaining kidney health. Emphasize low sodium, managed protein, and certain minerals. Ready to take control of your diet? Consult a dietitian or healthcare provider today for tailored guidance. Consistency in your meal routines is also crucial. Regular meal times stabilize your body's metabolism and energy levels. Aim for 3 balanced meals a day, including healthy snacks if needed. This pattern helps satisfy your dietary requirements while effectively supporting your kidney health. Remember, dietary adjustments can greatly enhance your well-being. Each small change contributes to a healthier lifestyle, protecting your kidneys. Incorporating seasonal fruits and vegetables adds variety and nutrients to your renal diet. Choose fresh produce low in potassium, such as cucumbers or bell peppers, to liven up meals. Using herbs and spices instead of salt can enhance flavor while keeping sodium levels low. These straightforward yet impactful choices delight your taste buds and help you maintain your dietary goals. As you modify your meals, pay attention to how your body reacts to these nutritious foods. Adjust your selections based on what feels best for you, ensuring you remain satisfied and energized throughout the day. When dining out or selecting pre-packaged foods, always check labels carefully. Watch for hidden sodium, phosphorus, or potassium that may threaten your health. Don't shy away from asking restaurant staff about ingredients and preparation methods to ensure meals fit your renal diet. Staying informed empowers you to make healthier choices outside your home. It's about finding balance while enjoying the social aspects of dining and caring for your health simultaneously. Prioritize your kidney health, and with thoughtful planning, navigating dining situations will be effective. In conclusion, taking ownership of your kidney health through a renal diet empowers you to lead a better life. By making conscious food choices, staying educated, and adhering to your dietary plan, you can manage your condition and avoid complications. Your kidneys will appreciate it.